Okay, hi guys. This video is part B of solving linear inequalities. This video has some examples of the conditions when we have to swap the direction of the inequality sign. So the first question here is negative 2a plus 7 equals 11. So we're going to start this equation solving this as we normally would. So we're going to minus 7 from both sides. Okay, that's going to give us negative 2a is less than or equal to 11 minus 7 is 4. We're then going to, on our next step, we want to get a by itself, so to do that we've got to divide by negative 2 and divide by negative 2. Now this is the critical step, okay? Because we have divided by a negative number, we have to, for our next line of working, make sure that we swap the direction of the inequality sign. So the inequality sign is now a greater than or equal to sign. Okay, so that's the important step with these questions. So negative 2 divided by negative 2 is just going to be 1a, or a, and that's going to be greater than or equal to 4 divided by negative 2 is negative 2. Okay, we would graph this now as we normally would, but we'll draw our number line. Okay, draw our arrows on either end. Okay, I'm going to put negative 2 in the middle, draw a few numbers on either side. Negative 3, negative 4. Okay, now our sign is a greater than or equal to, so we put our circle on negative 2. Because it's a greater than or equal to, we have to colour it in. Okay, so it's got to be a closed circle because where a is equal to negative 2 as well as greater than. So we draw our line, our arrow pointing off to all the values that are greater than negative 2. So in a right, towards the right of our number line. Question 2, 5 is greater than 2x plus 9. Now in this example we can notice that our pronumeral, our x, is on the right hand side of the equation. So I want to, just to make this easier, put the swap basically the right hand side and the left hand side around. Okay, just so it's easier to solve. Now as soon as I do that, as soon as I swap the left-hand side and the right-hand side around, I need to make sure I swap the direction of my inequality sign. So it's going from a greater than to a less than. And then on this side, on the left-hand side, I now write 2x plus 9. And on the right-hand side, I've got 5. So my inequality now becomes 2x plus 9 is less than 5. Okay, so the critical step there was when I swapped my left-hand side and my right-hand side, I also swapped the direction of the inequality sign. I'm now going to solve this as I normally would, so I'm going to minus 9 from both sides. That's going to give me 2x is less than negative 4. Okay, and then I'm going to divide both sides by 2. That's going to give me x is less than negative 2. Okay, I'm then going to graph that on my number line. So I'm going to put negative 2 in the middle, put a few numbers either side. Negative 3 and negative 4. Okay, this is just a less than sign. So at negative 2 I put an open circle. Okay, because this time x is less. The value of x is less than, all values less than negative 2, not including negative 2. And then I'm going to draw my arrow pointing out to my less than direction. I hope these examples help you guys. So these ones, as I said, are the examples or the times or the conditions when you would swap the direction of the inequality sign.